Hello, my brothers and sisters. According to dictionary definition, adultery and fornication both mean to have sexual intercourse with someone that you are not married to or with someone that is not your spouse. And they are both acts of sexual immorality which are displeasing to God, according to the book of 1 Corinthians chapter 6 verse 18. So, are you interested in knowing how to avoid committing adultery and fornication? The Bible tells us in the book of 1 Corinthians chapter 7 verse 2 to 5. Because there is so much immorality, every man should have his own wife, and every woman should have her own husband. A man should fulfill his duty as a husband, and a woman should fulfill her duty as a wife, and they should each satisfy each other's needs. A man is not the master of his own body, but his wife is. A man does not have power over his own body, but his wife does. And a wife is not the master of her own body, but her husband is. A wife does not have power over her own body, but her husband does. And it tells us in the last verse, which is verse 5, it says, "Do not deny yourselves to each other. Do not deny yourselves to each other, except you first agree to do so." Let me come again. Do not deny yourselves to each other unless you first agree to do so for a while, in order to spend your time in praying and fasting or in doing anything else. And then immediately you finish what you are doing, you should immediately resume your marital relations. And in this way, you will not fall into Satan's temptation because of your weak nature, because of your nature of lack of self-control. And another way to avoid committing adultery and fornication is to be satisfied with what you have, to be contented with what you have. The Bible tells us in the book of 1 Timothy chapter 6 verse 6 that we should be contented with what we have. That means we should be satisfied with what you have. If you are satisfied with the spouse God has given you, you will not look outside. Thank you.